Welcome children. In this video we are going to see continue that sums exercise 2.4 sums. Seventh one, three identical coins each of diameter 6 cm are placed as shown. Find the area of shaded region between the coins. The given pi value as 3.14, root 3 equal to 1.732. Here we have three identical coins. So here I drawn, so this is identical coins. What is meant by identical now? They will have same diameter. Okay. So each of diameter they given 6 cm. So D value they given as 6 centimeter. What they asked to find now? Find the area of the shaded region. So in between that I shaded some portion, So this shaded portion we are going to find. Okay. Between the coins pi and root 3 value they given. So move on to the sum now. Given diameter of the coin is 6 centimeter. So what will be the radius then? R formula R equal to D diameter divided by 2. That is radius of the circle equal to diameter is 6. So 6 by 2 cancel this. You will get 3 centimeter. So diameter of the coin 6 centimeter. Here is the given one triangle joining the center of this coin. You can get a triangle. This side of the triangle is nothing but the diameter of the coin. So diameter of the coin is 6 centimeter. That side also will become 6 centimeter. Look like this. All the sides are equal to 6 centimeter. Then what type of triangle is this? If three sides are equal, then we call as equilateral triangle. Correct? So write equilateral triangle. So how to find this area of the shaded portion? First you have to fix. Okay. So area of triangle minus area of this circular quadrant. How many circular quadrants are there? Three sectors. 1, 2, 3. So area of equilateral triangle minus area of these three sectors. Then we can find area of this shaded portion. So move on to area of equilateral triangle. What is the area of equilateral triangle formula now? Root 3 by 4 a square units. So root 3 by 4 into a square now. A side of this triangle is 6, So 6 into 6. Cancel this. 2 2s are, 2 3s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. Root 3 value they given in the sum 1.732 into 3 3s are 9. Multiply these two, you will get 15.588 centimeter square. Okay, so the central angle of this sector. So move on to this figure now. So what will be the angle here? In equilateral triangle, each angle should be 60 degree. So each angle in this triangle should be what? 60 degree. This 60 degree is the center angle of this sector. So central angle of the sector theta equal to 60 degree. Area of three sectors. Three sectors is there, So three sectors equal to 3 into what is the area of sector when a central angle is given? Area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square units. So 3 into theta by 360 into pi r square units. 3 into theta is 60 degree divided by 360 into pi value they given 3.14 into radius of the sector is 3 into r square 3 into 3. Okay, now simplification part. 0 0 will get cancelled. 6 1s are, 6 6 are, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 2 1s are, 2 1s are 2, remainder 1, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14. So you get 1.57 into 3 3s are 9. Multiply these two, you get 14.13 centimeter square. So they asked to find area of the shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of equilateral triangle minus area of three sectors. So area of equilateral triangle now what you got? 15.588 minus 14.13 centimeter square. Subtract this. 14.13. So convert into like decimals now. I have to put 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 8 minus 3 now. 5. 5 minus 1 you get 4. 5 minus 4 now 1, 0. So you get 1.458 centimeter square. Therefore area of the shaded region between the points equal to 1.458 458 centimeter square. That is approximate value. Next we are going to see 8th sum. Using Euler's formula, find the unknowns. So here they given one tabular column. We are going to find the unknowns here. So already we know Euler's formula. What is the Euler's formula? Faces, vertices, edges they given now. F plus V minus E equal to 2. This is called Euler's formula. I know already I told. Faces plus vertices minus edges, we will get 2. Okay, using this Euler's formula, we are going to find the unknown value. So look at the first one. So we know vertices, that is V value as 6 and edges is 14. We are going to find the face. Okay, so V equal to 6, E equal to 14, F we are going to find. So by Euler's formula, F plus V minus E equal to 2. Substitute that F we doesn't know, right, as it is. F plus V is 6 and E is 14. So you get F plus 6 minus 14 equal to 2. 6 minus 14 you get minus 8. So you get F minus 8 equal to 2. Minus 8 goes to RHS, it will become plus 8. So F equal to 2 plus 8, now you get F equal to 10. Move on to second one. In second one they given number of faces. Faces is 8, edges is 10. We are going to find vertices. Okay, so by Euler's formula, write the formula as it is. F plus V minus E equal to 2. F is 8 plus V we are going to find minus E is 10 equal to 2. So 8 minus 10, what will you get? Minus 2. V minus 2 equal to 2. Minus 2 goes that side and it will become plus 2. V equal to 2 plus 2, you will get V equal to 4. So number of vertices equal to 4. Okay, move on to third one. F equal to 20 and vertices is 10. We are going to find edges. So write the Euler's formula. F plus V minus E equal to 2. F is 20, V is 10. E we are going to find, right, as it is, equal to 2. So 20 plus 10 we will get 30 minus E equal to 2. Here I am sending this 2 to the left hand side and E to the right hand side. Because here E is in minus, for that purpose only I wrote here. So 30 plus 2 comes this side, minus 2 equal to minus E goes that side, plus E. So 30 minus 2, 28 equal to E. Then you will get E value as 28. Here you can solve like this also. You can send 30 also. So 30 minus E equal to 2. Minus E equal to, send this 30 to the right hand side. 2 minus 30. So minus E equal to minus 28. Here this minus will get cancelled. E equal to 20. So you will get the same answer only. Which is easy, you can follow that method. Okay. So now I tabulated the unknown values here. Write that as it is. Okay. Thank you children. Our chapter is over up to this. We will meet in the next chapter.